Hi, welcome to a calculator tutorial by Equaser. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use this Sharp EL-520XT and EL-520X scientific calculator to do metric conversion. Unfortunately this calculator does not provide those constant numbers reference on this case. I don't know why they did that. I will suggest you print and attach it here, but I've opened the file, the PDF from the manual, and it's here. So let's say you want to convert inch into centimeter. Enter your value and you have, let's say, 156 inch and you want to convert it to centimeter. So for conversion we are pressing this button here, 3 with a second function. So I will say convert, so I'm referring to shift and 3, so second function and 3. Now it says convert and the cursor is waiting for the number. So in this case we enter 1 and it gives you in terms of centimeter 396. And if you want to convert from centimeter to inch, we have to press 2, and let's say 396, and we see what do we get, 396, and then second function convert, which is 3 button 3, I'm pressing 2, 156, so 155.90, that's the value. And the same way you can do the same mile to kilometer, and let's say Tesla with single charge goes 350 miles, 350, second function convert, and we want to get it in kilometer, press 7. So this is 563 kilometers. Even with the fuel you cannot go that long. That's amazing. Electric car has changed the world. Let's say you want to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade. On the news you will see that they say it's beautiful 90 degrees. Let's see what centigrade is that. So 90, second function convert, which is number 3. I'm entering now 17, so I should get some numbers smaller. So this is 32.2 degrees. Oh, you will be sweating. And the same way all of the other values that you see here, you have to access this. Now let's say somebody weighs 70 kilograms, so 70, second function convert, I'm pressing 3, kilogram to lb, press 16, they will give you the pound, 154 pounds. That's it. This was how to use the conversion, metric conversion in this calculator. I have a lot of other videos for this calculator. You can check them by clicking on the link which is in the description below the video. Please thumb up the video, please subscribe so you can get updates of my other upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.